Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how the transformers share their load, which we have studied in our BTech course or in a diploma course that when two transformers are supplying a load, they share their load as per their kVA rating and as per their percentage impedance. We can use that formula and calculate the load sharing by the different two transformers when they are in supplying the load in parallel, and then we will compare these results with the ETAP. This, first of all, we can see these are the two formulas which we have studied in BTech, this formula and this formula. And as per this formula, we can calculate the load shared by the different transformers when they are supplying a load in parallel. First of all, we will take 100 MVA transformer and percentage impedance we will take 4%. You can see the load shared by the transformer 1 is 60 and load shared by the transformer second is 60. Now we will keep these transformer rating and these percentages in the ETAP and then see what is the load share. Total load is 120 kVA and we will go total load is 120 kVA. So first transformer 100 kVA, we will change the second transformer rating as 100 kVA and percentage impedance 4%, 4%. Click OK. We had kept similar configuration here that transformer is 100 kVA, percentage impedance is 4%, and total load is 120 kVA. Now we will share the ETAP results. What the ETAP is showing us, how the load is shared. Now you can see the transformer one share the 60 kVA load and transformer second share the 60 kVA load. Now we can change the rating of the transformer first. We can change this rating, this transformer to 250 kVA and keeping the percentage impedance same. Now you can see the load share by the transformer one is 34.29 and load share by transformer second is 85.71. Now we can check from the ETAP results. We can change here the transformer rating to 250 kVA and click OK and then perform the load flow analysis. Now you can see the transformer one shares the load 34.3, that is 34.29 same, and 85.71, that is 85.7 same. So our manual calculation is completely matching with the ETAB results. Now in this now we will change the percentage impedance. Now we can change the percentage impedance here. We can change it 10% and this can change with 10% and OK. Now we'll see how the load is shared by the two transformers. You can see the load shared by one is 60 kVA, transformer first is 60 kVA and second is 60 kVA. Now we will check this through manual calculation also. We can take it 10 and you can see it is 60 kVA, 60 kVA. Now we will do one more thing is that we can change the transformer here rating and keeping change in the percentage impedance 4 to 10%. And now you can see it is similar again. Now the load shape, the first one is 85.7 and second one is 34.21. That is totally reversed. That was in the first. Now we'll change in this transformer rating to 100 kV and now see what is the load shared by the transformers. It is 85.7 and 34.3. At the first result, when I first calculated, and both was 100, and percentage impedance was 4%. At that time, it was 34.3 and it was 85. Now we have changed that. We have kept two transformers same rating, but different percentage. Now you can see the load here. It is completely matching with our. You can see it is completely matching with our ETAB results. 1 minute, I will show. You can see it is completely matching with our ETAP results. You can see load share by first one is 85.71 and load share by second is 34.29, 110% and 4% and 10%. So that means our ETAP results are completely matched with the Excel calculation that is that we are doing in the BTech course.